Goddess Parvati longed for a son. Every morning she'd collect a handful of river clay and make an idol of Ganesh. She'd recite his names, spoil him with sweets, and bathe him in scented water. Every evening, like a promise made, she'd carry him to the river where he'd dissolve back into the earth. Ganesh was pleased and agreed to grant her wish. And on the 4th day of the bright lunar fortnight of Bhadrapad, usually August or September, he became her son. Gauri Nandan Ganesh, the son of Gauri, as she is affectionately called in Maharashtra. While we honor Ganesh, we also honor Gauri, the female life force of the universe.
Jai Devi, Jai Devi, Jai Mahishasuramatani, Survareshwar Varde Tarak Sanjivani, Jai Devi, Jai Devi, Tribhoni Bhoni Pada Tujai.
We create him, worship him, and return him back to her, completing the circle of love. Women share a special bond with Ganesh, who is born out of the womb of maternal longing. Ganesh is Lambodara, pot-bellied, his cosmic womb vast enough to contain the universe, and Vakratund, the curved trunk suggesting the serpentine nature of energy. He is Omkar, the origin of all sound. Ganesh is the embodiment of wisdom and compassion. Everything about him is round, soft and pliable. But not everything.
आणि आज शाडू कैक वर्षापासून म्हणजे ती परंपरा शाडूचेच वापर आहे खरं. हे प्लास्टरचा आता नवीन पीओपी म्हणजे जसे स्टॅच्यू वगैरे बनवायला लागले त्याच्यात मूर्ती लोकांनी बनवल्या किंवा नाही स्टॅच्यू लांब जायच्या पल्ल्याच्या ज्या लांब जायचे आहेत त्या गणपती फुटत नाही म्हणून प्लास्टर केलं ते. आता पुण्यात सुद्धा आमच्या मूर्ती जातात ते म्हणाले आता अमेरिकेला गणपती पाठवायचा आहे बॉक्समध्ये भरून तो कुठे म्हणाल अमेरिकेला माझी बाची आहे तिने मागितले मग ती मागणी वाढत राहते. सुरुवातीला मूर्ती आम्ही एकदम 50 बनवल्या त्याच्यानंतर 50च्या 200 झाल्या 200च्या 500 झाल्या 500च्या 1000 झाल्या 1000हून 2000 अशा वाढत वाढत ते 10,000 पर्यंत आम्ही पोहोचलो.
Plaster of Paris has transformed the craftsman into a businessman. But Pawar says, when one woman came to purchase a murti and touched it, she wept.
Tuza namo, tuza namo, tuza namo, tuza namo, tuza namo.
Just imagine that you have been asked to build a statue that has the head of an elephant and the body of a boy who is four-armed, single-tusked and seated on a mouse. Such infinite freedom. You are the creator, and out of the lump of clay that you hold in your hand, you will create a god. Ganesh's elephant head represents the macrocosm of the divine. His trunk removes obstacles from your path. It invariably turns towards the modak, a sweet, showing his appetite for eternal bliss. Musak the mouse also means thief. The mind is like a thief. Ride it. Don't let it ride you. flower and paper ornaments are made by hand, a skill learnt in the home within the family.
रंग कसे वापरायचे, रंगसंगती कशी ठेवायची, हे सगळं ट्रॅडिशनल जे आहे ते वडिलांकडे शिकायला मिळालं.
Children observe while playing. Try their hand and learn. Hand to hand, a tradition crafts Ganesh. Old mythological guidelines are followed, yet new trends flow in freely.
एक मनात समाधान वाटते कृष्ण रूपाची मूर्ती बनवायची, म्हणजे वेगळं बॅलेन्स. मुंबईमध्ये तसंच आहे, ह्या टाईपची डिझाईन झालेली नाही आहे. पहिलीच डिझाईन ही मुंबईमध्ये अशा टाईपची झालेली आहे, त्याच्यामुळे थोडा वेगळं समाधान वाटते.
Ganesh's form tantalizes. Part elephant, part human, he is an immense mystery. Being divine, he has a special form. Formless assumes form. And when a particular form is held dear by the beloved, it is said to possess the power to lead back to the formless on the path of love. Plump and lovable, Ganesh is a potent unifying force. A fine skill of shading and layering is executed, and a pair of beautiful eyes gaze at you. The magic is in darshan, or seeing. One look into the eyes of the beloved. He hears every prayer, the silently moving lips, the murmurs.
जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मनो कामना जय देव मंगल मूर्ति बोल
The devoted create an intention, a wish for a son or a good harvest, a mannat which is part faith, part desire.
If I will have a baby boy, I'll do an abhishek over here That's what said by me. The Guruji, they say the mantras. They tell to put the flowers and everything. Whatever they tell, we have to follow the instructions and do the puja. And that is the Abhishek then.
Their commitment is the daily worship of Ganesh through the 10 days of the festival. His part is boundless grace, and your part, faith. A mysterious alchemy occurs, and there's a miracle. There are as many miracles as there are idols, but the best miracle of all is the miracle of love. O Lord Ganpati, this whole world has sprung from you. This whole world rests in you. You are the earth, water, fire, air and space. As Agni or fire, Ganesh purifies all dross material to pure energy or Shakti. In the homes of the Brahmins, the sacred fire of knowledge burns its brightest.
गणेश यागाच्या संकल्पामध्ये असा आहे की या विश्वामध्ये शांती निर्माण व्हावी, भरपूर वृष्टी व्हावी, धन धान्य यांची विपुलता निर्माण व्हावी आणि त्यानंतर विद्यार्थी जन जे आहेत त्यांना भरपूर विद्या प्राप्त व्हावी, सगळ्यांच्या जीवनामधली विघ्न जी आहेत त्यांचं निवारण व्हावं असा हा संकल्प करून गणेश यागाची सुरुवात झाली.
Through the 10 days of celebration, this is the inner sanctum, a space created by the reverberation of ancient recitations. Once Shiva and Parvati were gazing at the Omkar when Shiva fixed his gaze on the letter A and Parvati fixed her gaze on U. A became a male elephant and U the female, and out of their union was born Ganesh. The Brahmins offer the most rare, the most sacred, most delectable of mantras to the one who is created from Om.
म्हणजे दुर्वा, लाह्या, मोदक, समिधा आणि तूप या पाचही द्रव्यांनी हे हवन या कुंडामध्ये केले गेलेलं आहे. आणि यामुळे काय होतं की गणपती आपल्यावर सुप्रसन्न होतात, आपल्यावर कुठल्याही प्रकारच्या नैसर्गिक आपत्ती येत नाहीत. आणि म्हणून या गणेश यागातला प्रमुख भाग असा जो हवनाचा होता हा या प्रकारे संपन्न झालेला आहे. अग्नीला सर्वात प्रिय काय आहे हो, तर तूप ही वस्तू अत्यंत प्रिय आहे. का तर अग्नी जसा शुद्ध आहे तसं तूप हे सर्वात शुद्ध स्थिती आहे. त्या तुपाची आहुती आणि नुसती आहुती नाही तर संततधार त्या कुंडामध्ये पडत राहते आणि त्यावेळी अग्निनारायणाची स्तुती करणारे अनेक मंत्र ब्राह्मण गात असतात आणि हीच गोष्ट म्हणजे पूर्णाहुती. प्रत्येक यज्ञामधला सर्वोच्च बिंदू जर काही असेल ना तर पूर्णाहुती आहे.
A fire rages, a flame flickers, and love is ablaze. Though each person proceeds on a different plane of knowledge or articulation, the intimacy of the embrace remains the same.
कसबा गणपती तांबडी जोगेश्वरी.
Everyone in Pune knows the five. Kids in the street recite their names.
डप्पावर थापो तुंतुन्याता डप्पावर थापो तुंतुन्याता.
They are the Manache Ganpati, the honored, most respected ones. Each of the five is over 100 years old, resulting in 100 years of unbroken continuity, securing tradition. A tradition initiated by Bal Gangadhar Tilak as a plot to further independence for India.
मराठी मुळी माणसं व्यवसाय स्थितीचा आणि याच काळामध्ये स्वातंत्र्याची लाट सुरू झाली होती. परदेशी कपड्याची होळी करून देशी कपडे.
Fired by his commitment to Swaraj or self-rule, Tilak created the means for people to unify as a force under the guise of religion. Tilak's dream was to ignite the cultural spirit of India. Families, communities bonding through culture during the 10 days of celebration. The competitive edge of commerce has crept into the soul of homemade celebrations. Corporate sponsors support the mandals, and the government sponsors hold cultural events on a grand scale to attract tourism. Tickets are being sold in rough voices, shouting, 40-footer, 40-footer, see the 40-footer.
शाही रहा महाराष्ट्राचा प्राण बंधू प्रेमाचा गातो गुणगान जी ही जी बंधू
On the day of the immersion, the procession starts at 12 noon at the Tilak statue in Mandai, the old Pune market, with the 5 Manachi Ganpati taking the lead. Their immersion takes place in the morning, a relatively somber part neatly out of the way. different drum commands the scene. Whether you sway to the harmony of auspicious sounds or are drowned out by the harshness of loudspeakers, you find you are lifted to a crescendo of faith.
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमश्रवस्तमम्.
In the beginning, nothing existed, neither the heaven, nor the earth, nor space in between. So non-being, having decided to become, said, "Let me be." Out of nowhere arose the divine entity of Ganesh, flooding our senses, pulling us out of the mundane, lifting us to the divine. For 10 glorious days, his magic ruled our minds, transformed our hearts, lighting a fire in our souls. Turned us inside out and vanished once again.
Saraswatye namaha, Shri Gurubhyo namaha, Harihi Om.
The one with no beginning created a beginning and can surely make an end. Many peaks of frenzy in one great crescendo lead towards a farewell. Hundreds and thousands of hearts leap wildly. And then return to stillness. Hands that created him joined together in prayer. Hands that created him multiplied with hands, lifted him up and let him go. On the 14th day of the lunar fortnight of Bhadrapad, we sent him back into the earth with the promise ringing in our ears of his return.